back to millions of years. Yet, most of the animal species use only 3 to 5% of their brain capacity. It isn't until we reach human beings at the top of the animal chain that we finally see a species use more of its brain capacity, but that is still 10%. This may not seem much, but it is a lot considering what we have done with it, right? The only living being that uses its brain better than us is the dolphin. It is estimated that this incredible animal uses up to 20% of its brain capacity. In particular, this allows it to have an echolocation system that is more efficient than any sonar invented by mankind. But now here is the miracle. The dolphin did not invent the sonar, it developed it naturally. Notice that the animals and birds do not need to be told to wake up in the morning and sleep at night. They know when to go into hibernation. They know when to migrate over continents every year at the same time, taking the same route. Trees know when to shed its leaves and when to sprout new ones. How come? I perceive 3 possibilities here. 1, they are born with a code which helps them do the things they do. 2, they have decoded this code to give them access to their inherent information and expertise. And 3, they actively utilize this code in their day-to-day lives even now. If every living being has the capacity to function effectively, utilizing its own inbuilt coded operating systems, can we conclude that we humans too are born with an inbuilt operating system with the capacity to enable us to survive not just effectively, but to live a healthier, happier, and a more fulfilling life? Yes, we can, and yes, we are born with our own coded operating system. How about that? Thousands of years ago, humans too were tuned into our own inborn code. This was the time when scientific studies had not yet evolved. The yogis who had decoded their own code and activated their full potential were experimenting on various things. They standardized this procedure of activating the full potential for us. They developed the capacity to communicate telepathically, read minds, meditate in sub-zero temperatures without freezing, diagnose illnesses by reading the pulse, how to teletransport, how to predict what is going to happen in the future. They identified the chakras within the body, the kundalini energy, the aura, the energy fields, the breathing techniques, the healing of the mind, body and soul. They worked with the prana, or the subtle energy fields of the body, and so much more. They did all this by using their own bodies as experimental laboratories and after activating their own full potential. As centuries went by, we humans unfortunately started considering ourselves as superior human beings, simply because we taught ourselves to manipulate the natural elements of our environment to make our lives simpler. From the invention of the wheels to the invention of the spacecraft, we have developed and we continue to develop every conceivable gadget to conquer our external universe. In this process, we have sadly forgotten how to conquer and harness our inner world, our inbuilt capacity to heal ourselves, to align ourselves with the natural flow of our lives, or travel the universe without leaving our homes. We are complacent with utilizing our brain's capacity of operating at just 10%. What if we set ourselves on a path to increase our brain's capacity to 11% or maybe more? Imagine what all you could do if you set yourself on your path to activate your full potential. If you were able to access and develop your own inbuilt operating system, which is there, embedded within you, much before you were born. Understand this. You are born with the capacity to end all your suffering. Whatever challenges you are facing right now, you can make it better for yourself simply by activating your full potential which you are born with. If you are excited to activate your full potential and do the things that you always wanted to do and what you can do, I am inviting you to embark on this magical journey with me on your path to Pradnya, wherein I shall be sharing for free various paths which will help you to not just explore but also activate and harness your full potential. Click below for details of my free sessions and register now. So what are you waiting for? It can't get any better for you than this. See you soon. I'm Leena Prabhu, Amazon #1 best-selling author, Pradnya strategist, spiritual and mental health coach. I'm going to work with you to help you activate your full potential. See you soon.